Hi everyone, in today's video we are going to paint this beautiful flower painting in simple 4 steps. So let's get started. Now let's see the requirements of this painting. I have given all the art material links in the description. Now let's begin with the first step. So in the first step we are going to cover the sky. So you can see the sky is the night sky. So obviously we need the colors blue. Here I chose the color ultramarine blue and cobalt blue for our sky painting. So now I am start with the ultramarine blue. As it is a very dark pigment, we can use it for our night sky painting. Here I am using my flat brush number 4 to cover this area. Now I am going to add the color cobalt blue and I am going to blend these two blue colors to have the beautiful and seamless blending. If you are following my page for a long time, you might know I paint from the suggestion of my follower. So this time a follower asked me to paint this beautiful painting. I specially made this painting for beginners with a simple and easy tricks. I hope you like this painting tutorial and let me know in the comment section. I am gradually add the color white to the cobalt blue to have this beautiful light shade of blue. So we are using this light shade of blue in the bottom of our canvas. In step 2, we are painting the stars and the moon. Now let's start with the star. To paint the stars, I use this splash technique to splash some white color on my canvas. I am using my fan brush to paint the stars. You can use your regular flat brush or you can use your toothbrush to paint the stars in the sky. With the help of my compass, here I draw a circle. In this painting, we are painting a glowing and a very beautiful full moon. So I am going to paint a glowing effect around the moon. So now you can see I use the color cerulean blue. With my dry brush, I am going to smudge the color to the background. So we will have a very beautiful glowing effect around the moon. So all I am going to do is take my round brush, and it's a very dry round brush. I am not taking any water to it. And I'm gently smudge the color to the background. So this step is really easy. On top of this layer, I am adding another layer of color. So now this time I use the color light blue. So to create this color, I mix the color cerulean blue with more white. Now it's time to fill the circle using the color white. So now I'm going to mix the color white and blue. I'm going to add this color. So this makes a moon even more beautiful. So I'm going to apply the color light blue. So when we are painting in the corner, we should be really careful. So now you can see I'm going to add more white color on top of this. So can you spot the difference earlier and now? So this is the simple tricks that makes our moon painting more glowing and beautiful. In step 3, we are painting the branches. So here I use the same round brush and I'm going to paint some branches here. So we need to be careful while painting the branches. In branches, we should avoid some straight lines. Instead, we can use some curved lines to make it so realistic and beautiful. To paint small and tiny branches, always use small size round brush. So the bristles are very small, so it will give you a beautiful and tiny branches. Now I carefully apply the color grey only in the area where the light is hitting really hard, and this is the reflection of the moon. In step 4, we are painting the flowers. So here I use the color neon pink, magenta and white. I mix all the three colors and we have a beautiful shade of pink, and I am going to use that pink for our flowers. So using the bristles of our round brush, I am going to paint the flowers here. If you are new to my channel, I am Rexana. I love to paint with acrylics. Here I am sharing my painting knowledge with beginners. If you find my tutorial is really easy and helpful, then please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also you can follow me in my Instagram to know all the regular updates about my paintings. Adding more white to this pink will give a beautiful shade of light pink. So here I am going to use this color for painting more buds and flowers in our painting. Here I am painting some patterns inside the petals. So this creates a very beautiful flower and petal effect in our painting. So we have to be really careful while painting the petals. So here I use my detailing brush, only the tip of my detailing brush. I am painting some lines in the petals. Now let's apply some magenta where the two petals meet. In step 5, we are painting the leaves. So here I use the color neon green and medium green. I mix these two green and I get a beautiful shade of green here. I hope this tutorial is really helpful for beginners. If you find this tutorial is really helpful for you, please let me know in the comment section, and I would be really happy to read all your comments. Now let's see the final look of our painting. So this is the final look of our beautiful painting. I really love this painting. I will meet you guys with another beautiful painting. Until then, have fun with colors.